off to Istanbul!
Our last day of cycling. 77 days of cycling. 96 days overall.
Wow.
Can't believe it.
Speechless. I can't believe it's our last day and we're going to be in Istanbul this afternoon. It's absolutely amazing. It's been the most incredible trip and I highly recommend it to anyone. Even if you do a short tour or a long tour, anything at all, even a day trip on a bike.
Yeah.
It's such a good way to travel around. We've seen some amazing things, haven't we?
Met some awesome people.
Yeah. Yesterday it was really wet and windy and horrible as well, but the sun looks like it's just about to peak out and it's supposed to be sunny by the time we get to Istanbul, so fingers crossed. Goodbye Black Sea. Let's go to Istanbul. All the talk of crazy wild dogs trying to attack you is just a load of rubbish.
Well,
they chase after you a bit and they look a bit crazy, a bit red in the eye and a bit dribbly, but we haven't had any problems at all. Just got to not be scared and keep your wits about you a bit, but it's a cute one.
bye bye.
Over there is the new Istanbul airport. By 2028 it's supposed to be the biggest airport in the world and we're going to cycle right through it. The first two roads on the map, one of them is now a dirt track and the other one is now a pipeline. Okay, so we just had a quick chat and there's just nothing we can do. Since the D20's been built and the airport's been built, all the roads we had researched and looked at going on don't exist anymore, or you can't get on them. So we're going to have to go back on the big TO20, which is this. Not fun at all. Really not fun. We're going to go on it for about 4 junctions and then we're going to get off and go down to a place called Untitled or something. And then it's a road all the way down to Istanbul. It looks like quite a busy road as well, but we'll see. At least this one's got a nice hard shoulder. Right, ready? Good luck. Let's do it. So we're now just on the edge of Istanbul and it's been a bit of a hairy last 40 kilometres we've done so far. Yeah. 30, 40. We've just stopped at a little place for a bit of chai tea and a little bit of food just to keep us going. We've probably got another 20k to go down through the middle of Istanbul and yeah, it's incredible. We're just hearing the muezzin everywhere and muezzin. Yeah, the call to prayer, and it sounds incredible. It's so loud and atmospheric, it's amazing. The roads are really busy, but because they're so busy they're quite slow and everyone's just sort of plodding along, so it's fine actually. It's better than the motorways anyway. That was a bit hairy earlier. We're just battling our way through Istanbul now. It's absolutely mental, carnage everywhere, and to be honest it's really, really enjoyable, really exciting. We're in Istanbul. Traffic is absolutely insane, but it's fine. Slow's good. Taking it all in. Can't believe we're here.
We're actually here.
We're speechless. We just cycled from London to Istanbul. This feels amazing. Quite emotional. We did it, Has. Can't believe it. Quite surreal to be here, but we just did it. All that planning and all the excitement and looking forward to it, the anticipation. We're finally here in Istanbul, on the edge of Asia. Yeah. Should we just carry on? Or go for a beer? Or a nice cup of chai? This is it, the last spot. It's the finishing line. World House Hostel Istanbul. London to Istanbul. Done. So we literally just dumped our bags in the hostel and we're going straight out for a beer. And we also told our mums that we got to Istanbul safely. Ow. Enjoy your trip. We did enjoy our trip actually. London to Istanbul, good trip.
Very good trip.
Try and find a beer now. Everybody just wants to sell us coffee and tea, which we like as well. Yes, we do like that too.
When you just cycled 5,230 something kilometres.
Ridiculous. Yeah, we're going to sink out of the bar though, aren't we? Oh well. Oh, that's so cool!